How to disable end-to-end encryption on WhatsApp. Disabling end-to-end encryption on WhatsApp is quite easy and simple. Here is a quick guide on how to do it. Launch WhatsApp application on your device. Ensure to log in or sign into your particular account. Now tap three dots at top right corner of the screen and select Settings. Scroll down, open Chats. Now scroll again and tap Chat Backup. On the section, scroll a bit down to the bottom and locate End-to-End Encrypted Backup button. To turn off or disable, tap Turn Off button and enter the current password. If you forget your password, tap I forget my password link and easily recover from there. So let's enter it here. Once you are done entering your current password, tap Next button. And here we see that we have successfully disabled end-to-end encryption for our backups on WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.